All right, guys, here is the camper from the future. Look at this thing by Intech. This is the new Intech Terra Oasis. This is like the alternative to an Airstream. So if you don't want to spend the dollar amount for an Airstream, I mean, this is your next step. That is very, very similar. They do a lot of cool stuff, even coming down to the fiberglass all the way around. And then they do aluminum frame. That's all custom built in-house at Intech. And they build that frame with the structure of the aluminum frame all together before anything else even goes on. There's a one-piece front cap right here with a nice big windshield. There is a cover to cover that slides under that track there and then snaps in all the way around for travel. So no need to worry about that. And there's another one piece that goes all the way from the top of the roof all the way down to the back of the unit. This is a pretty neat one, and I do have more available. Please click my page to see the other ones that I do have in stock as of right now. I got the Flyers, the Explorers, the Intech, the Soul, the Magnolia, the Oasis. Look at this outside kitchen. We'll get to this in 1 second. Let's check out the inside. Man, look at how futuristic this thing looks. I love all the blue lighting, man. Look at that view. That is a one-of-a-kind view there. Look at the quality of this thing. This is so cool. So this isn't your typical camper. Wow. I love how it says Terra up top here. So this is all a painted aluminum, believe it or not. So very lightweight, very durable. I love the gloss white. It looks so modern and bright inside here. This thing has a lot of cool stuff on it. Look at all the, wow, even your fuse panel and your battery disconnect switch is inside and hidden. These are all soft closing cabinets. You have a TV that pulls out here. These are your AC ducts right here in the ceiling. Here's your AC unit, and that goes right in the center hallway and then even to your back bedroom. Look at the rounded wall. I mean, they did a really good job. You have a Jensen Bluetooth radio, and then you even have tank heaters, line heaters, and then a gas electric hot water tank. So you could use this actually when it's cold outside as well. Days like today here in Michigan, it's pretty chilly. But this has heated lines underneath, which is very unique. Look at this stainless steel farm sink, the residential pull down faucet. Man, this is pretty neat. Need a little holder here to hold some stuff. Oh, I like the LED light. Wow, that's a strong magnet. That's a nice mechanism to have. And all your manuals. Look at that soft closing. And just look at the detail. Look at all these screwed into the wall. They did a really good job. Even extra storage up here, these little bungees. Oh, here's your speakers on each side. Wow. So this cabinet's together, and these two are put together so you can open it nice and easy. Wow. And these do have residential roller blackout shades. So you just pull those down, not the accordion style. And then this dinette right here does make into a bed. So there's a short pole that comes with it because there's actually no ledge all the way around that you're going to hurt your legs on getting around this. And to get into this dinette, you probably ask, so how am I going to get in here? This table swivels and moves. So nice and easy. So you move that sideways, come on in, and then you turn it back. Pretty neat. And as I just did that, I just realized there's a little 12-volt charging station here. Look at that. USB ports. It's kind of nice. But yeah, there's a short post that goes into here. So you take that post out, a smaller one goes in, lets that sit down, and then underneath the bed, I'll show you in a second, in your main bed, is another cushion to go right in the center. So you can actually keep all those cushions going around the window there to keep you nice and cozy. Look at this. There's where your hot water tank is. Your valves are right there. Easy for winterizing. I like how they border that off and box that off. And also, if you're wondering about the flooring, this is what they do in Airstream as well and a lot of high-end pontoon boats, but it's a PVC woven pontoon boat flooring. Very durable, easy to clean. Now, look at this hallway, man. I love this. Look at this bathroom. One of the coolest bathrooms I have seen. Look at that LED light around that skylight. Man, this is pure luxury here. This looks so futuristic. I love it. Wow. Stainless steel sink in the bathroom, storage underneath. Man, look at that. Even the toilet paper holder is nicer than most models. I love that mirror with the LED lights behind it. Oh, I didn't even notice the cabinet. Whoa. Nice and strong. Wow, okay. So your toilet's on that side with your sink, and then this side's gonna be your shower, and the mirror to look at your pretty selves. Look at this. This is such a cool shower. Wow. Plenty of headspace. I like how they give you a little storage here. You even get a little sit-down pad. Wow. Man, they did a really good job in here. Don't mind all the antifreeze. We just had to winterize this camper because it's cold here. We don't want anything to freeze up. Now, here is your main bedroom. Check this out. So this is a north and south bed, so you can walk all the way around the bed. There is storage underneath, and that is a gel top mattress as well. A lot of folks, when they come in to see these, they're always so surprised how comfy the bed is. Shout out to Intech for that. Here's your cushion that I was mentioning for up front if you do want to make it into a bed. And then here is your water pump and everything in its own little compartment here. Out of the way, not taking up any storage space. They did a really good job with that. I like how they bordered everything off here. Man, you got little reading lights. Oh, look at your little headboard with the diamond stitching. You have a Maxx Air vent fan in your bedroom that's got a rain sensor on it. So if it does start raining when that's open, it will automatically close for you. So that is very nice. And that blows air in or sucks air out. Look at this. Storage here. Little bungees. Here goes a little closet. Wow. Even hooks in there. That's cool. Look at the detail. Even on the wall here, they got these little stoppers so the handles don't hit. Yeah, I love all the blue lighting. Oh, you just heard how strong that magnet is. None of these are going to open when you're traveling. Oh, you got more speakers back here, so that's cool. You must have 2 different zones for the front and back. Oh, nice little drawer. Man, that is so clean. Soft closing. Wow. And then overhead here. Oh, I did like kind of like a carpet material. No, it's not carpet. It looks like it, but it's not. Wow. Man, very nice. Even nice hinges even in the bedroom. Oh, and there's your thermostat on the wall here. It's all digital, it looks like. And then this is for your Maxx Air vent fan with the rain sensor I was just telling you about. Look at this door. It's got a farmhouse, like, futuristic door on it. So it's got a strong magnet on it, as you can see. Wow. Closes nice and easy. I like how smooth it is. I love how it looks. I love all the design on it. Wow. So it's got a magnet, a very strong magnet, as you can see. And then a safety latch to hold it when you're actually traveling. That's how you would have it in travel. You'd have it locked up like that. Man, good job. So like I was saying, I have more of these in stock. There's a couple different models that they offer. But one-of-a-kind camper. This is going to be the most expensive camper on my lot. If you're looking for a nice, high-end, lightweight, something to travel in full time, a 4-season unit, and close to an Airstream quality, I would say go with one of the Intechs. This thing is so sharp. Show you these one more time. I'm gonna take you outside real quick too, because it does have an outside kitchen as well. Which normally in a camper this size, you don't get something like that. Oh, and before I forget, nice 12-volt fridge. I don't think I mentioned it yet. It's a nice 12-volt fridge. This is a 10.7 cubic foot, and that's electric only. So it's always going to be running even when you're traveling down the road. Wow. Oh, and then you have your oven here. Well, 3-in-1. Wow, convection, microwave, grill. Wow, it's a grill, convection, and a microwave. Whoa, well, that's pretty cool. I wish more manufacturers would do that. What's this? Oh. You even get a little sink cover that comes with it. Wow, a huge sink cover. Very nice. All your remotes are in here nice and neat. You even get an Allen wrench. I wonder what that's for. Gotta be something for the camper. Well, they give it to you. Very nice. Then you get the 2-burner stove on top here with the glass cover. There we go. Perfect. Oh, nice big smoke alarm over here out of the way. You got the aluminum wheels on this one. This one does not have the Rover package, so that will make it a little bit cheaper for you guys. But this one does have the Rover package. If you don't know what that is, that's going to be the black wheels with the all-terrain Westlake tires. It's going to have a 3-inch lift kit on it, and then it's going to have the aluminum tube rear bumper as well. That's the Rover package. Anytime you see Rover on it, that means those 3 items will come with it. This is the Terra Magnolia Rover Edition. I'll have that one in another video. Click on my page, you can watch the video on that one. I'll be uploading it very soon. But check this out. So you get a griddle outside. I know you don't see the plate. It's actually on the other side. I didn't grab it out yet. But you have a flat top griddle. So you can do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is pretty neat. So this comes off, hooks up right here on the side of your camper, and just creates a little bit more counter space for you. A little prep area. If you want to bring a TV outside, there's outlets right there. You set anything on that little table. And then this is a 12-volt cooler that's kind of like an outside fridge. It opens either way. And you can even disconnect this thing from the camper, and it holds a charge. You can take this down to the beach, and instead of bringing ice with you, this thing will stay cold. That is very, very neat. Man, so cool. They did a really good job. Man, look at these decals on the side. Looks kind of like a carbon fiber. You have an armless awning, so that is a power awning. It comes straight out from the top. There's no arms that are going like this that's going to get bent up. That costs a little bit more money than a regular awning, obviously. It's a little bit nicer. But yeah, it's armless, so the arm is actually under the fabric, so it's very well protected. But yeah, very nice job, Intech. Everyone seems to really love these when they come in. We've already sold a few. If you're looking for an Airstream, or would love an Airstream, but they cost a little bit too much money, this will be in a better price point for you. Still very expensive, like I said, but for everything that you're getting, I mean, it's a great bang for the buck. Here's the Magnolia. Here goes the Dusk. The little flyers, these little toy haulers. There's a bigger version with canvas beds. Like I said, I'll have those other videos on my page as well. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like these. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Tony T from National RV. Love to hear from you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much.